Hey there, fellow card enthusiasts. If you're a proud owner of the Citi Strata card and you're itching for a fresh new look, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to request a new card design. Whether you want something more stylish or just a change of pace, Citi makes it surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive in. First off, why bother? A new design can make your card feel personalized and exciting, plus it might even motivate you to use it more. But before we start, keep in mind that not all cards allow design changes, so this is specific to the Citi Strata Premier or similar variants. You'll need your account details handy. Step 1. Log into your Citi online account or mobile app. If you haven't already, download the Citi app. It's user-friendly and secure. Once you're in, head over to the Card Services or Account Management section. Look for options related to your card details. Step 2. Check for a Design Options or Customize Card feature. If it's available, you might be able to select from pre-approved designs right there. If not, don't worry, that's where customer support comes in. Click on the Help or Chat icon to connect with a representative. Step 3. When you reach out to support, be clear and polite. Say something like, "I'd like to request a new design for my Citi Strata card." They'll ask for verification, like your account number or security details, so have those ready. They might offer designs based on availability, and there could be a small fee or processing time involved, usually a few weeks. Step 4. Confirm your request. Once approved, Citi will send you a confirmation email, and your new card should arrive in the mail. Remember, this isn't always guaranteed, as some designs are promotional or limited. A quick tip. If you're not seeing the option online, calling Citi's customer service directly at 1-800-XXXXXXX can speed things up. And always double-check your account for any updates. There you have it. That's how you request a new Citi Strata card design. It's a small change that can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.